I'm glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the Audi Q7 from the 4M generation, produced from 2015 to the present day. This luxurious SUV has captured the hearts of many drivers in the United Kingdom, with its blend of performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. However, like any high-end vehicle, it comes with its share of weak points that potential buyers should know about. Let us start with an overview of this impressive machine. The Audi Q7 4M boasts a spacious interior that can comfortably seat 7 passengers, making it ideal for families or those who love road trips across the British countryside. Its Quattro all-wheel drive system provides excellent handling in wet and slippery conditions, which is a boon during our unpredictable weather. On the positive side, the Q7 offers a refined driving experience with powerful engine options, including efficient diesel variants that deliver strong torque for effortless motorway cruising. The build quality is top-notch, with premium materials and advanced infotainment systems that integrate seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Many owners praise its reliability for long-distance travel, and it holds its value well in the used car market. However, no car is perfect, and the Q7 has some notable drawbacks. One of the most common complaints revolves around its fuel economy, which can be thirsty for a large SUV, especially in urban driving around cities like London. Maintenance costs can also add up, given Audi's premium pricing for parts and servicing. Now let us address the most frequently encountered issues, starting with the AdBlue system. This emissions control technology is designed to reduce nitrogen oxide output in diesel models, but it often plagues owners with malfunctions. Many report warning lights appearing unexpectedly, leading to reduced engine power or even limp mode, which can be frustrating during a commute. The AdBlue tank and sensors are prone to crystallization, especially if the vehicle is not driven regularly on longer journeys. In the UK, where short trips are common, this issue surfaces more often, requiring costly repairs at dealerships. Owners have spent anywhere from £500 to £1,000 to fix AdBlue-related problems, not including diagnostic fees. Despite these hassles, the system does contribute to the Q7's eco-friendly credentials, helping it comply with strict Euro 6 emissions standards. On the flip side, ignoring AdBlue warnings can lead to more severe engine damage, so regular checks are essential. Some drivers opt for aftermarket solutions, but these might void warranties. Moving on to another major weak point: turbo failures. The turbochargers in the Q7's diesel engines, particularly the 3.0-litre V6, can fail prematurely due to oil starvation or contamination. This often manifests as a loss of power, unusual noises, or excessive smoke from the exhaust. In the United Kingdom's variable climate, turbos endure extra stress from stop-start traffic and cold starts, accelerating wear. Repair costs for a turbo replacement can exceed £2,000, including labor at an authorized Audi service center. Preventative maintenance, like timely oil changes, can mitigate this, but it is a recurring theme in owner forums. That said, when functioning properly, the turbos provide exhilarating acceleration, making the Q7 feel agile despite its size. Many enthusiasts appreciate the boost in performance for overtaking on A-roads. However, frequent failures have led some to question the long-term durability of these components. Beyond AdBlue and turbos, suspension issues are quite common in the Q7 4M. The air suspension system, while offering a smooth ride over pothole-riddled British roads, can develop leaks or compressor failures over time. This results in uneven ride height or a bumpy experience, often requiring parts that cost upwards of £1,500 to replace. Owners in rural areas, where roads are rougher, report these problems more frequently. The good news is that the standard coil suspension variants are less prone to such issues and easier to maintain. Overall, the suspension enhances the Q7's versatility, from city driving to off-road adventures in places like the Lake District. Engine oil leaks are another headache for Q7 owners. Seals and gaskets around the engine bay can degrade, leading to oil drips that not only stain driveways but also pose fire risks if ignored. In the UK, where MOT tests are stringent, these leaks can cause failures and necessitate repairs costing several £100s. On a positive note, Audi's engineering ensures that the engines are generally robust, with many units surpassing 100,000 miles without major overhauls. Regular servicing at intervals of 12,000 miles helps prevent leaks. Still, vigilance is key to avoid escalation. The infotainment system, while advanced, has its glitches. Software bugs can cause the MMI screen to freeze or navigation to lag, which is annoying during rush hour in Manchester or Birmingham. Updates from Audi can resolve some issues, but not all, and dealership visits might set you back a couple of £100. That being said, the system's integration with virtual cockpit displays is a highlight, offering intuitive controls and crystal-clear graphics. It elevates the driving experience for tech-savvy users. Many owners find that over-the-air updates keep things running smoothly in the long run. Brake wear is accelerated in the Q7 due to its hefty weight of over 2 tons. Pads and discs need replacing more often than in lighter vehicles, with costs around £400 to £600 per axle. This is particularly noticeable for those who frequently brake hard in urban environments. However, the braking system is powerful and reliable, providing confident stops even when towing trailers, a common use in the UK for caravans or boats. Upgraded options like ceramic brakes offer longevity for enthusiasts. Proper driving habits can extend brake life significantly. Transmission problems occasionally crop up, especially in models with the 8-speed automatic gearbox. Jerky shifts or hesitation can occur, often linked to software or fluid issues, leading to repairs in the range of £1,000. This is more prevalent in higher mileage examples. Positively, the transmission is smooth and responsive when maintained well, enhancing the overall luxury feel. It pairs beautifully with the Quattro system for all-weather capability. Many drivers swear by it for family outings in snowy Scottish Highlands. Electrical gremlins, such as faulty sensors or battery drain, are reported by some owners. These can trigger multiple warning lights and require diagnostic scans costing £100 to £200. In the damp UK climate, corrosion exacerbates these issues. On the upside, the Q7's electrical architecture supports advanced driver aids like adaptive cruise control, which work flawlessly most of the time. It adds to the safety profile, earning high Euro NCAP ratings. Proactive battery checks can prevent many problems. Tire wear is another consideration, as the large wheels and all-wheel drive chew through rubber quickly. Premium tires from brands like Michelin can cost £300 each, and uneven wear might indicate alignment issues. This is common on Britain's uneven roads. Yet, the grip provided by these tires ensures stability, making the Q7 a joy on winding country lanes. Owners who rotate tires regularly see better longevity. It is a trade-off for the performance and safety benefits. Interior wear, particularly on leather seats and trim, can show in high-use family vehicles. Scratches and fading are noticeable after a few years, with reupholstering costing several £100s. Daily use in a busy household accelerates this. That said, the cabin's design is ergonomic and luxurious, with heated seats and ambient lighting that make long drives comfortable. It is one of the Q7's strongest selling points. Gentle care preserves its premium appeal. Fuel system issues in petrol variants include injector failures, leading to rough idling or misfires. Repairs might run to £800, and it is less common but worth mentioning for UK buyers opting for non-diesel models. Ethanol in fuel can contribute to this. Conversely, the petrol engines offer a quieter and more refined drive compared to diesels. They suit those avoiding AdBlue complexities. With proper fuel quality, reliability improves. Exhaust gas recirculation or EGR valve problems affect diesel efficiency, causing power loss and increased emissions. Cleaning or replacement costs around £500, and it ties into the broader emission system woes. UK regulations make this a compliance necessity. The upside is improved fuel efficiency when the EGR works well, helping achieve up to 35 miles per gallon on highways. It aligns with eco-conscious driving trends. Regular maintenance keeps it in check. Cooling system failures like radiator leaks or thermostat issues can lead to overheating. This is risky in stop-go traffic, with fixes costing £600 to £900. It is more frequent in older 4M models. However, the system's design efficiently manages heat for powerful engines. It supports towing capacities up to 3.5 tons. Cooling upgrades are available for heavy users. Adaptive headlights, a premium feature, sometimes fail due to motor issues, dimming visibility on dark rural roads. Replacement units cost over £500 per side. This affects night driving safety. Positively, when operational, they provide excellent illumination and auto adjustment. It enhances the Q7's appeal for evening commutes. Bulb checks during services prevent surprises. In terms of resale value, the Q7 holds strong in the UK market, with used examples from 2015 fetching £15,000 to £25,000 depending on condition. This is a pro for owners planning to sell. High demand for luxury SUVs bolsters this. On the downside, depreciation can be steep in the first few years, losing up to 30% of value. It is something to factor into ownership costs. Savvy buyers negotiate well. Servicing at official Audi centers averages £300 to £500 per visit, which is premium but ensures quality. Independent specialists offer cheaper alternatives around £200. It is a balance of cost and warranty. The warranty coverage is generous, up to 5 years with extensions, covering many faults. This peace of mind is a big plus. Many owners extend it for longevity. Fuel costs for diesel models hover at 10 to 12 pence per mile, reasonable for the class. Petrol variants are higher at 15 pence. It suits budget-conscious, luxury seekers. Towing prowess is excellent, with stability control aiding safe hauls. It is ideal for UK caravan enthusiasts. Drawbacks include added strain on components. Off-road capability, thanks to adjustable air suspension, handles light trails well. It is not a hardcore 4x4 but sufficient for farm tracks. Fun for adventurous families. Cabin noise is minimal, creating a serene environment. Wind and road noise are well suppressed, a definite strength for long journeys. Boot space of 770 litres expands to over 2,000 with seats folded, practical for shopping or luggage. Versatility shines here. Safety features like autonomous emergency braking are standard, earning 5 stars. It protects occupants effectively, a family-friendly attribute. In conclusion, the Audi Q7 4M is a sophisticated SUV that excels in comfort, technology and versatility, but it demands careful maintenance to avoid costly issues like AdBlue and turbo failures. It suits affluent families or professionals who value luxury and are prepared for higher running costs, perhaps those in suburban areas with access to reliable servicing. If you prioritize reliability over everything, consider rivals like the Volvo XC90, but for sheer driving pleasure, the Q7 remains a top contender. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.